to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm just going to be looking at how to combine images together from one image, which is this one. I'm going to take and put it into this part of the other image. Now first of all we'll just have to figure out how to get the picture of Marilyn here and how to rub out the background. So there's a number of ways to do that. Quite simply, you can use the eraser tool and you can just take it round the picture here. I'm just going to do this quick so I can show you the different methods that you can use to accomplish this. So here we go, we've erased round there. There we go, that looks fine. So I'm just going to now select the area around our body there and just copy that and paste that onto our other picture. Size it down so it's the size that we want. It's a little bit smaller. And there you go, you can apply that and then come back to the eraser tool and finish off any bits that you've missed, and also just zoom in and make the eraser tool smaller and go around the edges there. So that's one way of transferring the image across. You've also got just another simple way again, which is you could just take the image from here. You just take the complete image here, cut that out and paste that into here. And again you could edit that, use the rubber tool. You could even just leave it like that as well, or use the eraser tool to rub out. But you've also got another option which some people much prefer, and this is using the quick mask tool. It does take a bit longer, but it can be a bit more accurate. It's a case of just actually clicking down here and coming up to the paintbrush, and then you paint over the area here. Just see around our hair, around our body there. And then once you've finished with that, you take the mask off, and what it does is it selects everywhere else outside of that image. Now I've missed out the bit with the arm and I've went a bit too far there, but that's okay. Just doing this quick so you can see. But what you can now do is, now that everything else is highlighted, you can just hit delete, and that'll as you can see give quite a good effect there. So we've got a nice glow around her now. That looks quite good. I like that one. So yeah, you could use that method as well. Let's just go back here. Now you've also got another option as well, as using the lasso tool, and you can come in here and you can use the different ones that are here. You can use the lasso tool to just quickly draw around and get the picture. Again, that's quite a quick way of doing it. Size it and do the same again. Remember to hold down shift when you're resizing the image here, and using the transform, because that holds down the picture ratio. If you don't, you end up getting the picture too wide or too long. So yeah, you can use that method as well, and again you can either then use the eraser tool or use the mask edit tool to remove that. So let's go back again here, and let's have a look at one other way that I know, which is coming in and using the magnetic lasso tool. Now this one takes quite a bit longer, but really you have to go round the edges, and the lasso tool just follows around the cursor. This one takes a lot longer, so I'm not going to do that. There is another way as well, which is probably the hardest way, but definitely one of the most accurate ways, and that's using the pen tool. And you can actually create a mask around the image and use the pen tool to follow the curves, follow the outline of the picture as well. And again, this is probably more of for advanced users and people who are really wanting to get a really accurate representation from this image. But yeah, that's just a few of the images that you can use, and give them a shot, see which one you like. And yeah, I mean, from the ones that I was doing, I much prefer using the quick mask tool. Just let's see how quick we can get this done. So just quickly come around here. Over our body here. You can use a combination of them as well if you want. You don't need to stick to just one tool, you can combine them. So let's see how that's turned out. Oh, we've missed a bit there. The other parts we've missed. Well, that seems okay. So yeah, I'm just hitting delete here, cut that out. Ooh. There, paste that in. And there we go. Hope you enjoy this tutorial and hope you find it useful.